Hello, this is Dr. Lori. Welcome back for this demonstration on how to conduct the Kruskal-Wallis test in SPSS. Basically, the Kruskal-Wallis test is the non-parametric version of the one-way ANOVA test, and all of the actual values, these dollar amounts in this particular scenario that we are conducting, have been converted to ranks. You don't see it on the screen, but it happens behind the scenes whenever we conduct this test. So in order to conduct the Kruskal-Wallis test, we're going to go to Analyze, Non-Parametric Tests, Legacy Dialogues, and in this case we have 3 or more independent samples, so we have K independent samples. Test for several independent samples, and this looks very much like the dialog box that we had for the one-way ANOVA. On the test variables list, we put our continuous variable there, and then under the grouping variable, that's where we put the grouping. So we need to define the range. The minimum is a 1, the maximum is a 5. So we'll click on continue, and you'll see down here at the bottom, it's telling you it knows it's going to conduct a Kruskal-Wallis test. So let's go ahead and click on OK, and then we get to see the output. So here's the actual value of the Kruskal-Wallis test. Here's our p-value, 0.03, and you can see there were 6 for each one of these different trails, and the mean rank. Remember how we said that all of the data were converted to ranks, and so you can see which one has the highest rank and the middle and then the lowest. And so it's very similar in the findings to what we found in the one-way ANOVA. And so this is the information that you would present if you were asked to do this non-parametric test. Thank you so much for joining me.